Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip and CAW. That is right, guys. CAW. It is Crow with Knife token. It is a meme token on Cronos that is absolutely exploding right now. I bought the dip on this thing. Actually, I have some moves that I want to share with you guys today. I bought some other meme tokens within the Cronos space, but this CAW token is doing very well. It's spectacular to see. And there's a partnership that I talked to you guys about while I was away in Utah, I believe. Just got home today. So good to be home, but I want to share with you guys the moves that I'm making, where I'm at, what I'm seeing with this, and the partnership for CAW now that I can share my screen with you guys. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about Cronos, where we're at with Cronos versus Bitcoin, the Cronos meme ecosystem, and some of these crazy partnerships, and obviously CAW, which is doing so well, the top performing meme token right now in Cronos, comparable to CorgiAI, which is already at $1 billion market cap. If you like the content, guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So this is a very exciting chart. As you can see, this thing did have a little bit of a dip. This is while I was away. This chart has only been around, if you look at the daily candles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 daily candles. Look at this. It is about to break into price discovery mode. If you've been following me on Twitter, you've seen me talking about this thing consistently because I do believe this thing is going to perform like the likes of CorgiAI, and I have many reasons for that. The liquidity is doing well. It's got 402K liquidity, which is pretty good. We'd like to see more liquidity up in there. I'm going to talk about how that can happen. We've got a market cap of $12 million versus CorgiAI, which is currently, if you actually take a look at what CorgiAI is doing right now, guys, it's at a $1 billion market cap. And this looks like it wants to actually perform and go right back up. I think this has a lot more upside too, but arguably CAW has more upside. Why? Because the market cap is just so much smaller, only at $12 million right now, going parabolic, breaking previous all-time highs. What I did personally, guys, is I sold 100,000 of my 500,000 CRO coins. Why? Not because I'm bearish on CRO, but because I was so bullish on this low cap market cap meme, which is driving the CRO fam crazy wild. We're seeing upward price action on this thing spectacularly. And we have other things going on like this, the CorgiAI social club. Remember, I just showed you CorgiAI over here. This chart has been wild. If you got in early on CorgiAI, well, then you probably are a millionaire at this point. If you bought a couple $1,000s worth of CorgiAI over here, you made millions of dollars. That's how it worked, guys. This is the power of memes. Now, the CRO fam and the Cronos community are getting very excited about memes again. So here's what's going on, guys. CorgiAI came out with this tweet the other day. We believe the CRO will transition of an AI and meme community. Realizing the next generation of life-changing wealth building advancements requires innovation and support across the whole ecosystem. We are proud to unveil the CorgiAI Meme Vision Fund. This is all so that people can start launching meme tokens on Cronos. And they're talking about how important memes are important for an ecosystem. This is to foster innovation on Cronos. This is what you want. If you want the Cronos coin to do well, then you want excitement around the ecosystem. And meme tokens, whether you like them or not, are a great way to do that. They're bringing more trading within the DeFi ecosystem. And so let's talk a little bit about how you go out and actually buy these things. Well, you got to go to VVS Finance. My wallet is not connected, but vvs.finance/swap is how you can get to it. Do your own research, guys. Be very careful. What you should do is you should get your crypto.com wallet extension. You would connect it to this. And then if you wanted to get some CAW, originally you just had to come in here so that you could get your CAW tokens. And boom, you could get your CRO with Knife and swap CRO that way. Now even you could just go into the DeFi app in general and just trade it very simply on your phone. I'd love to share that with you guys. Actually, I think I can if I were to pull up Twitter. But if you go to Twitter, you'd see that Cronos, the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, actually listed the CAW token, and they're actually advertising the CAW token at the very top of the DeFi wallet page, which is probably part of the reason that right now this CAW token is literally breaking all-time highs as I am doing this recording. That is so great to see, guys. This thing's probably going to be much higher by the time you see it because it's literally entering price discovery mode at this very moment. It just got $1 million put into it while I was doing this recording for you guys. Clearly Clearly, there's some excitement around this thing, guys. It is very volatile. It is not for everybody, no doubt. Now, I want to share with you guys some of the recent moves I did. Now, I have 1.5 trillion of these CAW tokens. Again, I sold 100,000 CRO coin tokens for CAW because I saw the potential for this meme. And what happened is I got this thing like right around here. So really had some great gains already, but saw this huge dip. And you know what? I found $500 and I actually ended up buying this dip right at around 10 cents. It was probably up in this red wick. Came back down. I was like, oh, geez, man, I already lost 50%. Hold on. Came back up, and right around here earlier today, I actually took profit on that $500. I sold the whole $500 stack that I had, which turned into like $700. Again, still have the 1.5 trillion CAW tokens, but what did I do? I wanted to enter some more meme token positions, and so I bought some CRIS tokens, and I think that's how I'm going to say it from now on. CRIS. Chris Marsliak. It is a meme token about Chris Marsliak. I don't know if this thing's going to do well or terrible or what, but I do know that the liquidity on this compared to the market cap is actually very spectacular. This thing has 375K liquidity, which is great. And the market cap is 748K. That's really, really good for people that are trying to get in and out of this token. And even CAW doesn't have as good as liquidity as that. So it could potentially be pretty good. Dare I say as good as CAW? I don't know. CAW's got the momentum. CAW has the community certainly behind it. I think a lot of people are having fun with the CRIS token as well. But you can see liquidity of 427K versus $13 million market cap. Clearly, there needs to be more liquidity put into that. Well, how can you do that? Well, if you want to provide liquidity, you can do that within the VVS Finance app. You would just basically go to liquidity and you would go ahead, you connect your wallet, you could add liquidity, and you would have to add it to the CRO pair. It's pretty simple, guys. I would like to do a tutorial for you on this. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my wallet connected today. I just got back in town, and frankly, I want to go spend some time with my wife, who I missed very much while I was away. Love you, sweetie. I'm going to be downstairs in a second to hang out with her. Anyway, guys, that is the update for you guys. A massive partnership potentially coming for CAW token with the CorgiAI team. They launched it on the DeFi app. I can see the Cronos team, even some of the team members of Cronos have been tweeting about CAW. You can see what's going on. I don't know if CRIS token is going to have as much excitement or momentum. We'll have to see, guys. It is a very low market cap coin. So this thing's only, what is it? The CRIS token is at like $600,000 if it can load. It's a very, very low market cap coin. It's 748K in market cap. I'm actually already up quite a bit on it, probably about 15%. I put in about $700. So I'll keep you posted with those plays, guys. It's going to be very interesting to watch. These meme tokens are good for the ecosystem in my mind, but do be careful, guys. I'm only investing pennies on the dollar into this, and the end goal for me is to get the Cronos tokens. Quick update on the Cronos price, currently at 14 cents. We do have 2 weekly red candles. I think that this weekly red candle could flip green for Cronos. In fact, it should. I think this is a healthy bounce that we had off 12 cents, which we've been talking about for a while. If you look at CRO coin versus Bitcoin, we have significantly broken out of the downward trend of CRO versus Bitcoin. Had a little bit of a slip as Bitcoin tested the highs, had a 15% crash. I think Cronos versus Bitcoin is going to continue up, especially if this weekly green candle can close green. This is great. This is green. We want this to close green. Get a couple green candles in a row, and then you might even see this token all of a sudden break out versus Bitcoin. 50%, that would be spectacular. That would drive this thing up to possibly 20, 27 cents, maybe even 50 cents. We'll have to see how it plays out, guys. I'm very excited about it. We've been making some great calls on this channel. Of course, though, none of this is financial advice. You have to do your own research. We are passionate about crypto, me and my partner, Black Sea. We are making a crazy amount of money. I hope you guys are making money too. If you are, and you bought some of these tokens we talked about and you're having fun, or if you don't like them, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are. Guys, that's all I got in this one. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, it's so good to be home. DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.